Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to submit by using a link. So what you're going to do is click the share button in the top right hand corner and it'll bring you to this little box. So what you're going to do is click on the third tab that says link sharing, and it'll give you a document link so that whoever clicks on the link, it goes right to your project in Onshape. So what you're going to do is either highlight the whole link and click Control C, or right click to copy, or simply enough you could just click copy to clipboard and the link will be copied automatically for you. Then what you're going to go do is go to Google Classroom, and you're going to go to, in this case, this is the keychain project. So you're going to go to the assignment that you want to submit your link to. And then you can't see this on my end since I'm on the teacher section, but on your end, when you go to view assignment, you'll see on the right hand side that there's an option for you to submit an attachment. When you click on that plus to submit an attachment, there is a link option. So you just click link and you will click Control V or right click and click paste, and you can submit your link to your project right to Google Classroom.